good, YouTube? This your boy Rubber. You know, we at it in the garage right now one time. What's up?
Keep on moving till the first days are done. Keeping it on till the day stays strong. Rolling till the nighttime blazes on. All along I keep singing my song. I say, this phase is always. Sometimes I get so crazed, but just know that I'll always stay. Cause you're my light through the haze. It's time for a champion. Soothe the soul of the land. Mend the heart from the sea and sand till the sun comes up again. Time for a champion. Soothe the soul of the land. Mend the heart from the sea and sand till the sun comes up again. Reach for the sky. Keep your eye on the prize. Forever in my mind. Be my golden sunshine. It's waiting in your mind. So push them clouds aside. Forever by my side. You're my golden sunshine. When I sunset, I let myself down. Down the ground beneath my feet gone. No more words with it to speak. On that day my song was born. Never meant to leave you all alone. Said I'd be a shelter from the storm. Now your clothes have all been torn. Kingdom sacked, attacked and dethroned. It's time for a champion. Soothe the soul of the land. Mend the heart from the sea and sand till the sun comes up again. Time for a champion. Soothe the soul of the land. Mend the heart from the sea and sand till the sun comes up again. Reach for the sky. Keep your eye on the prize. Forever in my mind. Be my golden sunshine. It's raining in your mind. So push them clouds aside. Forever by my side. You're my golden sunshine. The way of the world. You're on your own. Time to go and be a man. Wanna fly high like Peter Pan. No more never, never land. Use your backpack filled with sand. Come along and take my hand. We'll walk together, walk forever. Reach for the sky. Keep your eye on the prize. Forever in my mind. Be my golden sunshine. It's raining in your mind. So push them clouds aside. Forever by my side. You're my golden sunshine. Reach for the sky. Keep your eye on the prize. Forever in my mind. Be my golden sunshine. It's raining in your mind. So push them clouds aside. Forever by my side. You're my golden sunshine. Oh, 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 oh. Walk with me now. Talk with me now, baby. Oh, 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 oh. Talk with me, mama. Talk with me now. Say, oh, 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 oh. Walk with me now. Talk with me now, baby. Oh, 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 oh. Talk with me, mama. Talk with me now. Every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, 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 I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Ay, 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 I'm on vacation. Every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, 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 I'm on vacation. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna stop right here. Got pretty much everything done. All the way down to, you know, having the crankshaft exposed. I did just get the timing cover taken off as well. So next step, you know, would be really just coming back and actually getting those pistons taken off. Get this out. So the next step now is to, you know, just get the crankshaft taken out. Once I get the crankshaft out, we'll be taking my block Got all my parts just laying there. So yeah, it's just to get my block taken and, you know, get it bored out and then start rebuilding from there. Kind of bummed out though because, you know, this timing cover is actually different from mine, which I suspected that when I got it, but you know, whatever. That's mine. That's the other one over there. It's from a regular D series. It's from a regular DE, which that's what this is. But the crankshaft is the same for mine, so that's the real, you know, important piece that I really needed. I could always go and just get a new timing cover once I'm fitting everything back up.